Hi, this is Mrs. Peterson, and I want to show you how to use Documents by Readdle to do some annotating online. The first thing you have to do is you have to go to self-service to get this app called Documents by Readdle. And then when I open it up, the reason why I like it is that there's a Documents pane to keep you organized, put all of your stuff, and then there's also a browser so that you can go out and find everything that you want to annotate. And it's a nice feature to have. You don't see what I'm doing right now, but I'm pulling down with 2 fingers so that I can get to that little folder plus folder thing so that I can create a new folder so I can dump my things in while I find them. And I am working on a project called Lightning Event. So I'm going to title it Lightning Event so that when I go out and find things, I can put it right into my folder so I can keep myself nice and organized. So now that I've created my folder, I'm now going to go out and use the browser to find my things. Now I can annotate anything that I find, any web page, anything that I can find on a database. I can just upload and use this browser to find it and make it into a document. But I'm going to go to New Trier to the library because, hello, librarian, and I'm going to use a database. So I'm going to go to New Trier and I'm going to choose library from here. And notice in the top left corner by the URL, there's a little star and it's dark. It's because I've already bookmarked it because, hello, librarian. So if you find anything that you want to bookmark, you just press the star and you've saved it and bookmarked it. So I'm now going to go to the databases, alphabetical listing, because I want to go to a place called Biography and Context because I'm looking at civil rights as my issue. And specifically, I want to find information about a young man named Emmett Till. So I'm going to go to Biography and Context and do a search for Emmett Till. And I'm going to use the help that Biography and Context gives me. I'm going to start with Emmett, and oh, yep, there it is, Emmett Till. I'm going to pull it down and click on it and say, go get it. So here's my page on Emmett Till. The very top document is a nice overview, so I'm going to go view more and take a look at that, because I know it's going to be pretty large and in-depth and maybe worth my time to spend taking notes on. And it does look pretty big, pretty nice. So in the top right-hand corner, I'm going to click the Upload button, and I'm going to choose Save Page. And then here I'm going to rename it something that is important to me, so I'm going to call it Emmett Till. And on the same box, look at the bottom, there is a word that says Downloads. In a minute, I'm going to click on that Download button, and I'm going to get a menu so that I can choose and put it in the folder that I created before I started the search. So now I'm going to choose Lightning Event Folder and say Done. I'm going to make sure it's saved as a PDF document, and I'm going to click Done. And now it's going to upload into this app. And then if I click on the Download button, at the very top is my Emmett Till document, and it takes me back to Documents by Readdle. And here it is. Now if I want it to fit nicer, I just pinch it to make it smaller and maybe enlarge it a little bit more. On the left-hand side are all of my tools. I have a highlighting tool. I have a handwritten tool that I can write using a pen or my finger. There is a text tool that if I click on that, and if I have white space, I can type a note in the side. If I don't have like that nice white space, there's also a little post-it note that I can link to text and type my note, and then when I click Done, it makes it small so that it just kind of hangs out on the page, and then when I want to look at it, I can click on it. I also have some tools that would allow me to draw some shapes and some arrows, so if I want to link what I've typed or handwritten along to my document, I can draw those in. And then when I'm done working with this document, I click on the top left corner and go back to my documents. And then if I want to go back to it, I can go into my folder, and there it is. Happy Note Annotating using Documents by Readdle.